Hi, my name is Joshua. I'm a system administrator, and I'll give Spicework 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, you can click the link below. I kind of use Microsoft Excel platform to have my day-to-day tasks, and it's becoming worrisome because it's difficult to integrate with my domain, and most of the time I can't update most of the activities on the go, right? And um, in terms of asset management, it's not given me enough time and space to collate all my assets on the go because um, we have so many remote users from the start of the pandemic. And so I thought about using something that will make my life easier, that'll be kind of automated and reliable, and something that will work fast, and some sort of software that I can use in terms of integrating and in terms of bringing people more on board. And so I thought about Spicework, and that's it. I chose Spicework because it's kind of automated. You can configure Spicework and send it to all your users so that when they have issues, they can always go to Spicework as an ITSM and IT service desk portal and just log a complaint, and you get it from your own end, and you can allocate those those tasks to the back end guys that's going to work in it. So using Spicework, right? It really helps in terms of documentation and in terms of um, device inventory, and software inventory. So you don't need to do all of those manually. It can be integrated with whatever platform that you choose to use. So I decided to move to use more of Spicework because it makes my life a whole lot more easier, and I think it's the best software I've ever used for now in terms of IT service management and IT support in terms of tax management and stuff like that. Getting into configuring Spicework into my domain to use with my daily activities was really helpful because I, as a first user of Spicework, I had to go online and read about articles on Spicework and how to set up Spicework. And in fact, I fell in love totally with stuff that I saw online because it gives me the whole idea and how to go about the configuration in terms of using the hashtag with some little code like hashtag close that close the ticket, assign assign and stuff like that. So um, configuring and starting to integrate to my business, it's kind of much more easier for the first time I'm using it. I never had issues because I had so many articles online about how to set up Spiceworks, and that was all like how I got about everything, and it's fine. And I just sorted everything out without contacting any third party or anybody to fix that for me. So I think anyone can just pick up Spicework and just configure it and set it up on their domain and start using it as their ITSM, which makes their whole life more easier for them. I advise people to go use Spicework because in terms of knowledge sharing, knowledge base, you can always have a part from the software, from the app that can always have a knowledge session where you can go to and pick most of the jobs that has been resolved. You can make references to them and you can have them on the go. Then another part is the reporting part of it. It has a great reporting in terms of data and statistics. So you want to share those reports with your line manager, or you want to share them with the third party vendor to know what comes in, to know the most frequent, the most common support that people logs online. you can have all that support and you can have all that report on the go. And so, if you're looking for the best ITSM software to deploy, I think Spicework is the way to go.